Partir en. Partir en. Partir. Partir means quite a few things. I'll let you know what it means. And en means in or on or at. It depends on the situation. Estoy en la casa. I'm at home. Estoy en... las llaves están en la mesa. The keys are on the table. Or it could be las llaves están en la caja. The keys are in the box. So en has quite a few meanings for sure. Okay, so the meaning of this phrase is to divide into or to split into. Just think of a cake. You need to split it into, I don't know, many pieces, or you need to divide something into many pieces. So you can use the phrase partir en. Partir en. Partir, this verb means to cut. Okay, to cut. Also, it means to cut, to split, to break, to crack as well. So we're talking about different things here, but essentially you are dividing or splitting things, okay? Cutting things as well. Parte el pastel, cut the cake, okay? So you can say that. But when you have en, okay, when you have the word en, then you're gonna say, you know, into. Okay, partir means to divide. It's similar to saying to divide and also to split or to cut. Okay, so let's look at some examples using, I didn't want to do that. Let's look at some examples using this phrase. It's almost like a phrasal verb. Okay, so the first example is, partieron el pastel en 8 partes. Partieron el pastel en 8 partes. So let's see the meaning of this sentence. They divided the cake into 8 pieces. So this is a very easy example, pretty basic, but it's important to know how to use this phrase. And yeah, even though it's basic, it's very important. It's an important phrase to learn. Okay, partieron means ellos partieron. We don't need ellos, which means they in Spanish. We need partieron, okay, which is the verb. Partieron means they divided, okay? And then we have the noun, el pastel, the cake. Now we have en. So we can have a noun in the middle of the phrase, okay? Partieron el pastel en, they divided the cake into, okay? Ocho means 8, the number 8. Partes means pieces. Partes, pieces. Excellent. Now, that's a very easy sentence. Very easy. You can also say partieron en 8 partes el pastel. So you can place the noun at the end. Partieron en 8 partes el pastel. And that also works. It works. But also you can say it like this. Partieron el pastel en 8 partes. Excellent. Let's look at the next example. Vamos a partir la manzana en 4 pedazos. Vamos a partir la manzana en 4 pedazos. This means, let me show you what it means. Let's split the apple into 4 pieces or chunks. Pedazos can mean chunks as well. I just wanted to put that there for you to know a different meaning of pedazos. Okay. Vamos means let's. It can mean other things like let's go. When you are saying, let's go, you can do it. Vamos, tú puedes. Okay. So it's an expression as well. Vamos in this situation means let's. Vamos a, when you also include a, vamos a, you're adding more to the sentence. You want to say, let's do something, right? Something. I don't know what, but I'll let you know because I'm adding more to the sentence. Partir, we have partir here, split. And then en, we have it as well over here. And that means into. In the middle, we have la manzana, which means the apple. Okay? Vamos a partir la manzana en. Let's split the apple into 4 pedazos. Pedazos means pieces or chunks. Now, the letter Z in Spanish is very similar to the S in English. So you don't have to say pedazos or something like that. You can just say it as, as the letter S in English. Pedazos. Okay? Vamos a partir la manzana en 4 pedazos. Let's split the apple into 4 pieces or 4 chunks. Dame un pedazo. Give me a chunk. That's interesting. I like the word pedazos. I don't know. It's quite interesting. Okay. Remember, partir en means to divide into or to split into. You can also say in this situation right here, you can say vamos a partir en 4 pedazos la manzana. You can say it in that order as well, and it works. It's correct. Excellent. Do you guys have any questions?